What you're looking at here is a diesel injector washer, aka injector seal, stuck in the cylinder head and didn't come out when the injector is removed. So in this video I'm going to take you through a couple of simple ways you can use to take this item out. What you see in that intro clip was these copper washers stuck down in the cylinder head, and what we have here is two basic tools. This is a cheap special tool, but this is a screwdriver that can be used to remove those washers that are stuck in the head. So this is a tool I've used multiple times over the years to get it out. The only downside is it has to have the perfect size of head to actually go down in there to get it out. If the washer is damaged or you don't have the perfect size, you can do damage to the actual bore down there by hitting it too hard. But you would tap down straight into it and you could pull it up that way. But what I'll show in the next clip is the actual footage of me using this tool to remove it. This is a cheap and basic tool that you can get, and it's the one I now use every time I'm taking out these washers because it has less potential of damage and it works pretty much every single time. And this is the special tool to try and get the injector seal out of the way. So this part has like a thread on it, and that should grip on the washer, and then again you have a slide hammer to pull it up. So I'll try and twist it into position first to see if it'll grip it easy. I might have to just tap on this side with a hammer if it doesn't come out nice and easy. But I got it. And you can see how simple that was. You can tap it down or you can try and thread it down into position, and it's got a very good grip. So you wind it down, try and grip it, and then pull it out. But very handy bit of kit if you need it. But again, a flat screwdriver, I showed a tip on it before, and it's very useful as well. Flat screwdriver, right size one, tap down and then pull up. And that is it. That is a couple of ways you can easily remove these copper washers should you have an issue with them on your vehicle. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.